Hi everyone. Thanks for tuning in the channel. So today we are at the Ovka property. Bonus trip. We are dropping off some material. It's nice and early, as you can tell. Still got wet hair. But yeah, we did an early trip out here. Not going to get any work done, but definitely dropping off the material because we need to build a sauna. It's one of the priorities for Derek. Not so much for me, but that's okay. Then that way when we are out here, it gives us an extra, clean up, wash up, warm up, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, that's what we're doing. All right, so a couple of big things there. All right, so that's not going to be enough, obviously, to build the whole.
No, that's just the base.
That's just the base.
Yeah.
Just the base.
Yeah.
It's very windy.
Yeah.
You can feel the winter's coming. Yeah, you can just feel the, I don't know. You know how, when they say you can smell it? It smells like snow. I know, I hate saying it, but yeah. You're just gonna stack them out right beside the camper?
Just right where you were.
Just where I am?
Yeah.
Hear everything cracking around me. Is it just the branches or? Is it just my imagination? I don't know. Is there a storm moving in that we don't know of?
It could be. Feels like it.
Feels, I don't know, whatever it is, feel it, smell it. Grr. Heavy? A little bit. Looks heavy. And it's cold. Ended up getting my toque. It's actually getting colder. I know, I'm being a wimp. I'm slowly adapting. Here, I'll set my phone down and I'll help you.
Oh, the
big one. Well, oh, you needed help with the big ones, not the small ones?
No, the small ones I got.
Oops. Oh boy, I'm in trouble.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Oh my gosh. right, so the material is off the trailer. I'm just gonna give you a quick little sneak peek on where it's gonna get built. We were gonna do a log one, but we just don't have the time. I mean, I was supposed to peel all the trees, and you know, I don't have enough time. He doesn't have enough time. Change of plans, but building it's more important. So let me just walk up there and I'll show you. All right, so we have other material that's already here. It's going up there. We should be cleaning some of this off first, but we'll see. We'll see if we can get to it. If not, we're just gonna start the build. We can always clean it up later. And this way, it's right next to the camper, ready for the next project. Yeah, so it's not a whole lot going on here at the property today. I was just saying we're just dropping off the material. We're not starting anything as of today. We got way too much to do back at the farm, just because you can just feel that there's snow coming. You can just feel it. I can't explain it. I don't know. Everyone that lives up north knows exactly what I'm saying. You can just feel it. It's in the bones. You can smell it. I don't know. But yeah, we have a whole bunch of stuff that we need to winterize back at the farm, have those things ready. Because you always think you have enough time, and you always think, oh yeah, we'll get her all done. And there's always those 10 last minute things that just haven't done yet. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna head back out and get those jobs done. So I kind of sort of told everyone where the sauna is gonna go.
Up there, we've talked about it.
Yeah, I know we've talked about it, but just in case if they have not watched our previous videos, and you happen to come across this video, up there. Yeah. Do you think we'll have time to clean it all up first, or are you just gonna build?
Well, I gotta clean up the rock before we build. And a couple more trees I want to cut down so that they don't fall on it.
Nah, yeah, okay.
There's a couple dead ones there and there.
Okay. Yeah, a little bit of work that still needs to be done before.
Yeah, but the excavator's up there. We gotta finish that.
Yeah.
And then we'll drive it down here.
Okay.
So.
All right, that's the plan. All right. Back to the farm we go. All right, so you just said
We're gonna go fire up the excavator and push down some trees.
that's because we just said that you just said that you had to push some trees down, and you're like, yeah, okay, yeah. Let's go push some trees down. Let's just go do that. All right. It does need to get done. Change of plans. I guess I spoke too soon when I says, nope, this is it. We're not getting anything done at the property. All right, well, I guess I'm gonna go get some mitts because I want to be outside the whole time. Yeah. All right, I guess we're walking up to the excavator.
That's gonna be fine, because that's gonna be field, eh?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, that'll be fine. All right. Well, I guess you'll do this for a little bit. And then when I get too cold, I'll walk back to the truck. All right, so you can see where he is. Let's see here. Trying to do this properly. There's a tree line that's right there. All that there. He is going to leave it for now. We're not going to take that down. So where he is there, he's going to move on in, more into the bush. And he's going to take down those trees. Either going to be saw logs, firewood, or... yeah, because we're going to be putting a pole barn back there. So being that this is going to be our hay field, and we're just going to start hauling our machinery, the tractors, and the new hay baler, and everything else. Oh boy. Anyways, that's the plan. We're pushing some trees down today. It was not part of the plans, but hey, that's the way it goes. You can see I'm standing way back here. I'm far enough in case one of those trees decide to change direction and they're falling. Don't want to be in that path. Derek is very much braver than I am, and that's out of my comfort level, but that's why we make a good team, right? Oh well, bonus stuff today. All right, well, we got some trees down. All right, well, got some done. That's fantastic. Bonus. Today is all bonus. All right, well, even though he would love to stay longer and we would love to get more work done, we have a million things we have to do at the farm. As he says, I can feel it. My hands are freezing, my joints are hurting, just everything about it. So we have to have the farm completely winter ready now. Today's the day, just in case. I don't know, I just got that feeling. We're gonna get our first snow soon. So anyways, Derek is gonna turn everything off on the excavator, and then we're gonna walk back to the truck and head back to the farm. The last time we brought a load of trees with the skidder, somehow this one was in the road. It is what it is. All Right, we are walking back to the truck. We have to get back to the farm. I'm cold. And anyways, bonus stuff got done. That's all right. All right, everyone. As always, thanks for watching. Appreciate your support and following us on our journey. Have yourself a great day, and we will catch you all on the next one.